To have heads of school come back to help celebrate our 140th truly is unique. It shows the passion that these heads have for this institution, the care and love that they have for it, and their desire to see it continue to grow and thrive into the future.
I think that today's students have so many more challenges, or different challenges anyway, than students, certainly my era, but my kids' era. One of the things that we do pretty well here at Maumee Valley is help kids to learn what they're interested in. For the next 25 years, if we continue along this path of personalizing education, and so that when they're done, they really had a unique experience.
The words that come to mind about Maumee Valley Country Day School would be kindness, a sense of humanity, an appreciation for each other. I would say even love that exists between the students, the faculty, the parents. There's a wonderful community here which probably more than anything else speaks to affection and love.
There's so many things that are unique to Maumee Valley in terms of how we educate students, how we have been ahead of the curve in terms of our initiatives with education, with diversity, with community. And so I keep looking backward and building upon the things that have come before me in order to stay ahead of the curve moving forward.
Maumee Valley is really one of the most exciting schools in the country.